fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Okay. Solution. Let a fraction be x by y. So x is the numerator and y is denominator. What they given? If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, 2 is added to fraction, both numerator and denominator. So x plus 2 by y plus 2. If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 by 11. 9 by 11. X plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. So we do the cross multiplication. 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. So 11 into x plus 11 into 2 equal to 9 into y plus 9 into 2. 11 into x, 11x. 11 2s are 22. 9 into y, 9y. So 9 2s are 18. 11x plus 9y to transpose to LHS. So minus 9y. Also plus 22 to transpose to right hand side, minus 22. So 18 minus 22. 11x minus 9y equal to 18 minus 22 minus 4. It is equation 1. And if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added both numerator and denominator, so we are adding the 3 is both numerator and denominator. What happened? X plus 3 by y plus 3 equal to, it becomes 5 by 6. So x plus 3 by y plus 3 equal to 5 by 6. Both are left hand side and right hand side, both are fractions. We do the cross multiplication. When apply the cross multiplication, what happened? 6 into x plus 3 equal to 5 into y plus 3. So 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So 6 into x plus 6 into 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 5 into 3. 6 into x, 6x. 6 3s are 18. 5 into y, 5y. 5 3s are 15. 5y to transpose to left hand side, 18 to transpose to right hand side. 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18. So 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18 minus 3. It is equation 2. So equation 1 and 2, they are solve the substitution method to find the x and y values. So first equation is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Second equation 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. So 11x equal to minus 9y to transpose to right hand side. So plus 9y minus 4 into 11 to transpose to right hand side by 11. X is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. So x value to substitution the equation 2. So here 6 into x is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. So 6 into 9y minus 6 into 4 by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. This is the fraction, this is the integer. So here also we have found out the LCM of the denominator is 1. So 11 and 1 LCM 11. So 6 9s are 54 by 6 4s are 24 minus 1 into 11 in one table 11 times. So 11 into 5y. 11 5s are 55y equal to minus 3. So 54y minus 24 minus 55 by 11 to transpose to right hand side into 11. So 55y minus 54y minus y. So minus 24 to transpose to right hand side minus 3 11s are 30 minus 33 plus 24 minus y equal to so minus 33 plus 24 minus 9. So minus cancel. Y is the 9. So y value to substitute the next value. X is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. X equal to 9 into what about y value? 9 minus 4 by 11. 9 9s are 81 minus 4 by 11. 81 minus 4 77 by 11. In 11 table 77 how many times? 7 times. So 11 7s are 77. X is equal to 7. So the fraction is 7 by 9. Thank you.